Yo, good morning. On my way to meet Vix Rex. Hopefully I'm not too late because it's 6 on the dot. Hopefully it doesn't take me 30 minutes to get there, but yeah, I gotta put the address in it, but it's like 6. I don't know if you can see that. I feel like adjusting to this camera sucks. Yo, what's up at the harbor? Yeah, I'm trying to get this view. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like the harbor and shit. But yeah, waiting on Vix Rex. What the fuck? Yo, I don't know why people rely way too much on those backup cameras. Like, they rely way too much. Like, I see them, like, they don't be looking like around them at all. Like, they just look right at the camera. Like, you have to look at more than just that camera. Cause, like, I don't know if I told y'all, but like, this dummy's so busy looking at the camera, looking at the rear view camera, like he was about to hit some car because he's just looking at the camera. He's not paying attention to like what's around him. Like, dude, pay attention to what's around you, not just the camera. Oh, look it's a fucking Mopar. You can't see because this fucking piece of shit ass camera. Fuck.
This is a Sinima Beats production.
You already know. It's gonna be a good day. What's going on?
And you can't tell me that car don't look sexy from the back, man. Yo, I was like geeking. I kept running off the road.
Yeah, like you were getting the good rolling shots.
Yeah.
First I saw you passing me, and I was like, "What's he doing?" Oh, okay.
Yo, this other car tried to roll with us though.
Yeah, that was fun.
The dude he saw at
that was fun.
Yeah, that was fun. But I'm not sure if I'm not gonna vlog.
I don't know.
Cause I do kind of just want to take it in.
Different
But
wheels.
check this out.
He's in the Boston wheels. Man, that's a good camera. Good setup.
Dreaming of a place off in my mind. I'd float through space. I'm lost in time. You'll never know what is going on in my mind. Maybe something wrong, maybe we ain't even really alive. In my mind, maybe I'm dreaming. In my mind, maybe I'm dreaming. Left the earth and I came back, saw life beyond what y'all thought exists. Like everybody living that same path, so they never gonna know what life is. Living and sleeping, I'm dreaming of finding the meaning of why I've been breathing. I'm fighting my demons, so something is different than what I'm believing. Is everything good? Yo, worries are past, I don't go back. No, I see life from my plan of attack. Standing on top of the world, will I jump up? I don't know, man, but I might land on a whole new planet. If I'm not real, then I might just stand and proof. So no wonder I feel so misunderstood. They'll never know what is going on in my mind. Maybe something wrong, maybe we ain't even really alive. In my mind, maybe I'm dreaming. In my Maybe I'm dreaming. Maybe I'm dreaming. Maybe I'm sleeping. Maybe I'm awake though. I don't even need this. I'ma lose my mind now. I'ma lose my mind now. Maybe I'm dreaming. Never know what is going on in my mind. Maybe something wrong. Maybe we ain't even really alive. Maybe I'm dreaming. Maybe I'm dreaming.
So yeah, Cars and Coffee, Story Falls, it's pretty dope.
Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.